Aslima and welcome to Sehla Mehla. Today we're making Bouza the authentic Tunisian way. So first things first, I want to mention that the real Bouza is done with the grains of the sorghum, not the powder. Because these grains are very coarse, I am gonna let them sit in the water 24 hours. The next day, I put my sorghum grains on water and I bring them to a boil. Then I'll lower my heat and let them cook really slowly. The grains open up and this is the consistency that you should obtain. Then I'll just let them cool down completely. Add any water. I'm just using the same water they cooked in. So here is the consistency I obtained. I need to strain these in order to get rid of all of the flakes of the sorghum grains. After straining my sorghum grains, this is what I obtained, a smooth liquid to which I'm adding some nuts. Here I added some hazelnuts, some walnuts, and some almonds. You can add anything of your choice, and I'll put all the ingredients in the description box below. So after mixing up my nuts, I'm adding some sweetened condensed milk. This is gonna be the sweetener. I'm not adding any sugar. It also helps me with the consistency. I'll transfer this to my stove and I'll cook it slowly for about 15 to 20 minutes until it lightens in color and the consistency thickens a little bit. Now my Bouza is ready. As you can see, it's a drink. It's not a cream or a custard. It's totally different. Now it's time for decoration. I'm adding some pistachio, some rose buds, and you can add anything of your choice. That was our recipe for today. I hope you guys liked it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you didn't already do so.